Hello all, welcome to my channel Revathi in Kitchen. Chana Dal is a popular Indian lentil recipe. It is made with Chana Dal and spices. Relish this delicious mild spiced dal. Chana Dal is hearty and wholesome. Dal is lightly spiced and makes a great comforting meal. Chana Dal is very simple, yet it's a delicious dal recipe. So friends, let's get started. Take 1 cup of Chana Dal, wash it and soak for 1 hour. Add it to a pressure cooker and cook for 2 to 3 whistles. The other ingredients are 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, half a teaspoon of fennel seeds, quarter teaspoon of fenugreek, 1 small cinnamon stick, 3 bay leaf, 3 black cardamom, 4 green cardamom, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 cup of boiled chana dal. Now take a pan, heat it and add 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil starts to hot, now add cumin seeds, fennel seeds, green cardamom, black cardamom, cinnamon stick, bay leaves and saute them well. Now since it is done, we will add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and saute them for 2 to 3 minutes. Now take the boiled chana dal and add it and saute them well. Now add 3 to 4 cups of water. Reduce the flame to low and cook it for around 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure the dal is not smashed. Now in this stage you can add salt as per your taste. Now you can see that tasty and delicious mild spiced chana dal is ready. You can serve this with hot and steamed rice and also with chapati. Friends, try this recipe and comment me in the comment section.